Master advanced figure architecture by leveraging Matplotlib's object-oriented interface. Create complex subplot arrangements to enhance data storytelling. Dive into professional styling with custom themes and color palettes, ensuring publication quality aesthetics. Explore complex visualizations, including dual axes and annotations, to convey intricate data insights effectively. Explore advanced figure architecture by mastering Matplotlib's object-oriented interface. Learn to create complex subplot arrangements, enhancing your data storytelling capabilities. This approach provides granular control over visual elements, enabling the creation of sophisticated, publication-ready figures. Dive into the intricacies of figure and axis management to elevate your visualization skills. Understanding Matplotlib's architecture is essential for advanced usage. The object-oriented interface offers granular control over visual elements. At the top, the figure acts as a container for plot elements. Within each figure, axis objects represent plotting areas with unique coordinate systems, containing multiple artist objects like lines and text, enabling precise manipulation of components for complex visualizations. The PyPlot interface is ideal for quick, simple plots, especially in Jupyter notebooks. It offers a state-based approach, perfect for exploratory analysis. In contrast, the object-oriented interface is crucial for complex layouts and production code, providing enhanced control and organization. Always prefer the object-oriented method for scripts to ensure clarity and ease of debugging. Advanced subplot configurations in Matplotlib allow for sophisticated layouts. GridSpec offers precise control, enabling plots to span multiple rows or columns, perfect for dashboard-style layouts. Subplot Mosaic uses an intuitive ASCII art interface for complex designs. Add Axes provides absolute positioning, essential for custom insets and unconventional layouts, enhancing your data storytelling capabilities. Using GridSpec, we create a 3x3 grid layout. The main plot spans a 2x2 area, showcasing a primary time series. A histogram in the top right visualizes distribution, while a scatter plot in the middle right highlights correlations. The bottom plot spans the entire row, summarizing metrics with a bar chart. Matplotlib's built-in style sheets like Seaborn and ggplot offer instant professional themes. Customize globally with RC params for consistent styling, adjusting figure size, font, and grid settings. Use context managers for temporary style changes, allowing flexibility without altering global settings. This ensures your visualizations maintain a cohesive and polished appearance across different projects. Color choice is crucial for effective visualizations. Sequential palettes suit continuous data using single or multi-hue gradients. Diverging palettes highlight deviations, ideal for correlation matrices. Categorical palettes distinguish groups without implying order. Ensure colorblind accessibility, as 8% of males have color vision deficiencies. Use tools like Color Brewer and Viridis for perceptually uniform options. Creating effective visualizations involves choosing the right color map. Custom color maps, like a blend of purples to white, offer unique aesthetics. Perceptually uniform options like Viridis ensure consistent data interpretation. Diverging color maps, such as red-blue, highlight central data deviations. Always consider perceptual uniformity, colorblind safety, and print friendliness to enhance data communication. Dual axes are essential for visualizing variables with different scales on a single plot. This method allows for direct comparison of metrics like temperature and precipitation or stock price and trading volume. Use Twinks to add a second y-axis, ensuring distinct styling and clear labels for readability and effective communication. To visualize revenue and profit margin on dual axes, use Matplotlib. Plot revenue on the primary y-axis with a distinct color and profit margin on the secondary y-axis. Ensure clear labeling and color coordination for readability. Combine legends for clarity and use grid lines to enhance interpretability. This approach aids in comparing financial metrics effectively. Utilize Annotate with XI text and arrow props for strategic callouts, ensuring arrows don't obscure data. Leverage LaTeX for mathematical expressions, crucial in scientific contexts. Employ bbox for styled text with backgrounds and borders, using transform_ax.transaxes for flexible positioning. Multi-line text formatting allows for varied fonts and colors, enhancing clarity and professionalism. Creating sophisticated annotations involves strategic placement and styling to enhance data clarity. Use annotate for precise callouts, ensuring arrows connect clearly to data points. Employ consistent fonts and colors for a cohesive look. Highlight key data with mathematical expressions and styled text boxes, maintaining a clear visual hierarchy to avoid overpowering the data. Inset plots enhance visualizations by embedding a magnified view within the main plot, revealing hidden details. Use fig.add axes or inset axes for positioning. Clearly connect the inset to the main plot with indicate, inset zoom, ideal for time series or spatial data, ensuring both context and detail are visible. Utilize inset plots to highlight detailed data within a broader context. Use Matplotlib to create a main plot and an inset with inset axes. Focus on a specific region by defining zoom parameters. Employ mark inset to connect the main plot and inset, ensuring clarity. Highlight the zoomed area on the main plot for emphasis. Error bars and confidence intervals are crucial for conveying uncertainty. Use error bar for precise caps and styling, and fill between for confidence bands. Violin and box plots offer detailed distribution insights, while contour and 3D surface plots visualize complex datasets. Quiver. Plots effectively display directional data, ideal for gradients and flow fields. Advanced legend techniques elevate visualizations by transforming legends into integral design elements. Use bbox to anchor for precise placement, ensuring legends enhance rather than clutter. Customize with encol for horizontal layouts, adjust marker sizes, and add shadows for emphasis. Split complex legends into multiple objects for clarity, ensuring seamless integration with the overall aesthetic. Implement custom legends by plotting multiple series with distinct colors and labels. Use M-patches to create custom legend entries. Position primary legends inside the plot with shadow and fancy box for emphasis. Add secondary legends outside using ax.twinks for statistical annotations. Ensure visual hierarchy with font sizes and frames, enhancing clarity and professionalism. Animations transform static visualizations by revealing temporal patterns. Matplotlib's animation framework, particularly Funk animation, efficiently updates plot elements frame by frame. This is essential for smooth playback. Common patterns include time series progression and parameter sweeps. Save animations as MP4s with FFmpeg or as GIFs for web use. Widgets allow real-time adjustments. Creating basic animations involves initializing a figure and axis, setting limits, and defining a line object. The animate function updates the wave with a phase shift for each frame. Using Funk animation, specify frames, interval, and blit for optimization. This method efficiently animates wave propagation, enhancing visual understanding of dynamic processes. Interactive widgets in Matplotlib enhance data visualization by allowing real-time parameter adjustments. Sliders control frequency and amplitude, while radio buttons switch wave types. This interactivity aids in exploratory data analysis and educational demonstrations, providing immediate feedback and deeper insights into data behavior. Optimize performance by downsampling data with algorithms like largest triangle 3 buckets, preserving visual fidelity while reducing point counts. Use blitting in animations to redraw only changed elements, achieving significant speedups. Rasterize complex vectors to reduce file sizes and rendering times. Pre-aggregate data using hexbin or 2D histograms for efficient visualization of large datasets. Plotting 1 million points directly can be inefficient, taking approximately 5 seconds and producing a 50 megabyte file. Instead, use hexbin aggregation to reduce rendering time to approximately 0.1 seconds and file size to approximately 0.5 megabytes. For extremely large datasets, leverage datashader for GPU acceleration or combine Matplotlib with aggregation libraries to maintain efficiency. Exporting plots in vector formats like SVG or PDF ensures crisp text and lines, ideal for publications. Use plt.savefig with format PDF and DPI to 300. For web or complex plots, export as PNG with high dots per inch and bbox dark inches tight to remove white space. Embed fonts in PDFs using RC params pdf.fonttype R42 for consistency. Master core techniques like object-oriented interfaces and custom layouts. Explore over 100 customizations, from colors to interactive widgets. Prioritize clarity and visuals. Practice by building dashboards, creating animations, and designing scientific figures. Utilize advanced resources like Matplotlib documentation, best practices guides, and community examples for continuous learning.